So, fuck GoPro. GoPro's shocking. Anyway, as I was saying, calipers out. Calipers also compressed. Pads are out. There are pretty, how you going? Definitely negative to be done. Rotors not too bad, but we're about to change that. So, yeah, hang on and you'll fucking see it, I guess. It just popped, and it's fucking popped, come back in. Dift. Huh? Fuck, these are so bad. Alright. Wipe the other side. Give it a clean up. Clean up. Clean up. My daddy spent his life looking up at the sky. He really didn't. I don't know about that. Oh. Still a good song. Rain is a good thing. Corn makes whiskey. Fuck. You probably can't see it. There's so much black stuff coming off the brake rotor. All right. What? I don't know if you can see this, but I got my handy Milwaukee knife, the best cut ever. I love this thing. All right, do your job. Oh yeah. Once again, same shit as the other side. Give everything a bit of a clean up as we fucking do it, because it just makes it better. Adds 5 horsepower to your car or something like that. I think the owner's manual say. Something to that effect anyway. Oh, so much black stuff. I haven't told you already, I'm not fucking qualified. So if something's not right, don't judge me. I really cannot be fucked with your shit. Oh, meant to clean the rotor first, like I did on the other side. Silly me. Oh, how fucking good. My hands are so black. They're blacker. You ready for it? I can't be that naughty. They're blacker than a chocolate bundt cake. An old band jokes long with cowboys chasing gold buckle dreams, pearl snap shirts and those baby blue jeans. Wind in the rain like desperado waiting on a train. Funky tonk heroes and their 6-string guitars. Ugh. Move out the fucking oh wait, no, this is good. This one's good. It's the other side that the fuck. That's it. Outside ones. Oh. Righto, that's one. Better get this fucking second one in. That's important. Now these, the caliper can fall off. My brain almost fucking felt like it was about to pop then. We're gonna put the brake pads in because I'll tell you what, it's not gonna stop without them. Alright, one. Oh fuck, that's the wrong side. Get in! Motherfucker, go in your home. Good boy. This outside one is an absolute prick, eh? Good boy. Should have kept that. I think I need it again. Fuck. No, we don't. Alright. These fucking little rubber boots lined up because without them, I think the shit show turns to shit. That one's good. Leave that light there so you fuckers can see. If that offends you, by the way, me calling you fuckers, you should probably go find another page. I swear a lot. If you haven't put two and two together yet. But it's okay, I'm a little bit slow too. Ugh. Get in your fucking hole. Oh yeah, that's right, this is that stupid one where we need a short socket. It's one of those weird fucking people. Puts a weird fucking socket in it. Anyway, whatever. Nip this up nicely. Nothing there to see. Oh. Oh. All right. Fuck my hands. They're so black. So black. Where's that pad wipe thing? Here we go, rag. Oh, dude, they are like super black and not getting any better. I think I'm gonna get told to have a shower when I get inside, but that's all right. What we're gonna go check is the level of the brake fluid. See how bad it is. And she's a little bit low, so we're gonna top that fucking shit up. Come for a walk, yo. Righto, welcome back. So we've had a bit of a break here because the caliper was a lot worse than what I thought it was. Put it all back together and it was pissing oil out pretty badly. Here's a nice close-up of what that piston in that caliper looks like. She's pretty rooted. So we've gone and got a new one, and now we're going to put it on. Yeah, as you can see, we've got the new caliper here. nice and shiny. And first thing I'm going to do is drop this banjo bolt off, so that we can actually put the new one on, because that's all it's holding on there. It's like 1 AM right now, possibly even 2 at the moment, and been a fucking long day. Oh. Yeah. Fucking piece of shit. What the fuck there? So you can. Oh, of course. That's gonna be. I don't know what size that is. That's alright. It's 14. Not that fucking dumb. Rightio. Oh, it's fucking sputtering here. That's the other one, I think I cracked it. Yeah, I did. Right, now we can take it off. Alright. Now we can undo this cracker. A bit of a drip tray under here, because probably should have done that the other day, but whatever. That's okay. Like I said, not a professional here, so, you know, things don't need to be professional. Yeah, yes. It's a leaky boy. Alright. Got the fucking crud off it and shit. Normal, give it just a touch of clean up. Just beautiful. Take that off. There's a bit of a clean. I apologise for the bad camera angles. Kind of the first real video I fucking filmed all this shit on. Yes. We're taking this copper washer off, because I've got 2 new ones and we don't need it. It's gonna back up. Alright. What we're also gonna do, now that we've got that shit off, is we're gonna take the other part of the caliper off as well, because really we've got a new one, so we might as well just fucking do the whole thing brand new. That's probably a smart choice. Oh. Oh. One. Two. Nice. Pad. Oh, caliper shit. No. Just gonna disassemble this new one. Yes, for all those weirdos out there that don't wear Crocs, they are safety shoes. You'll see them a lot. My mates think I'm a weirdo as well. And that's what the piston's meant to look like. Big difference. Big difference. Now, what I'm going to attempt to do here is put a little bit of oil in there so we don't end up having too many air bubbles. Don't know if you're meant to do that, but it makes sense. Didn't take very much oil, so oh well. Probably gonna need to bleed all this shit anyway. Alright. Put this fucker on. Oh, fuck, that looks good. All nice and shiny as shit. I can't fucking fill in the hole. I don't know any drama with that. Oh. On she goes. Oh yeah. Use the socket by itself to put them in as far as we can get them in. One. Two. Flick. Oh. That fucking got nice and tight. Oh. Oh. Number two. Come on, motherfucker. Oh. Okay, so that's on there now. Now we go back to putting our brake pads in. Oh wait, no, hold on. I'm fucking skipping a step. Doing a bit of a skippy skip. These little clips. There's only one way they can fucking go in. No, you won't fuck it up. And if you do, well, you know, we all fuck up. Holy dooly. These are just a cunt. Maybe I should have put these on before I put this Sam Hoovy in here. If oh, that did things. How good. It just needs a persuasion tap. Oh. That did things. Fuck it, they're not falling down now. Oh fuck, I lost the backing pad. Huh. It is way too late. Early, late. Kind of really depends on if you've gone to sleep or not, I guess. I think there's a possum on the roof. Oh, that is what we want. All right. I wonder where the fuck that one goes. Can't see it on the old one. Oh well. I think I worked this shit out. You put this straight edge in first and then the curved edge in last. A bit of a angle and then a twist. Oh, fuck. Why are you not going in your home? Huh? There we go. Very nice. Alright, I think what we should do now, get this banjo bolt back on. Oh, that can't be fucking right. Oh, it's not fucking twist up and shit. It's fucking, they don't make this shit easy, eh? You'd really think that they want you to go back to a mechanic or some shit. I mean, this is why dickheads like me aren't meant to do this shit, and there are such things as mechanics. But hey, that's alright. What size was it? 14, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. No, wrong way. Ooh, 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 ooh. There she goes. Let's just fucking hope that this is in the right orientation. Oh. Right, now that that's nipped up, we can let go of these fucking clamps here. Let the fluid flow. Oh. Same thing again. Use that 17. That's what it is. 17. Ever so slightly. Put them fuckers in. Oh. All right. Nice and tight. There. That. This little yellow cap will whack back in the old one, and then we'll put the old one back together. Alright, old one. Pretty fucked up. In. Okay. Well, that's all done now. That's all put back together. I need, where's my fucking drink? Late night Macca's run, you can't beat it. Alright. I need smoke. Because, you know, we don't condone tobacco, by the way. We don't smoke. It's a bad habit. Alright, so we need to go put some brake fluid up here in the old engine bay. There's a max line and a min line. Most of you probably already know, but for those of you who don't, there's a max line and a min line. Fill it up to the max line. And then what we shall do is we shall see how much we need to bleed this motherfucker. Now I've got this handy little contraption here that we made for our bikes, right? But we need to pull this kind of apart. And yes, before any of you asked that is a Nurofen syringe, it fucking worked great. Now to pull this kind of apart, what else is going to be fucking happening there? Right. The reason we need to pull it apart because this fucker goes into this fucker. And then this fucker that I just showed you, the little goes over here. Fuck this dust cap off because we don't need it on there. Put that little over this fucking little nipple here. Oh, fuck, she's tight. Give it a little bit of hot, maybe. No, I'm not giving it a hot. But we will just hang it there. Right, and we need to go get an airline. Bear with me for a minute. We're gonna go fire this compressor up, but so I don't fucking deafen you all, I am gonna shut the camera off, and then I'll come back to you in a minute. Alright, so now that the compressor's a little bit aired up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack the nipple, squeeze the trigger, pull brake fluid through. And hopefully with a little bit of luck, this will bleed the system. I can do this all by myself. Still see a few air bubbles, so that's okay. Hopefully we'll get through it soon. Alright, we're going to nip it back up with it still on the trigger. Alright, then we're going to turn it off. And we're going to go check the brake fluid at the front. Righto, check the brake fluid on the Macca's screen because, you know, Macca's Coke's the best. If you don't like Macca's Coke, there's something wrong with you. Alright, we go again. Round 2. Alright, so brakes are bled, she's all G. Bit of a tool tidy up and slap the tyres back on, put the jack down and take it for a test spin and see if I stop. Yeah, Milwaukee. Only tool you should buy. Got a mate, got 2 mates actually. They're Makita people. They're forever having battles about whose fucking tools are better. I'm just saying mine cost more, so I think that just speaks louder. But at the same time, they say the same thing about my Milwaukee tools, and the Makita tools are better. Let us know. I guess we could say this. Let us know in the comments about which one's better. What do you prefer? Are you a Ryobi gay person? One down. I thought that was recording. Maybe I didn't press it properly. And anyway, we're putting the other wheel on, number 2. Job done. Let's do that. And now we put tools away. Come on, you get tools away. Ooh. It's not as good as some people's toolboxes, but tickles my fancy. Well, can't say it tickles my fancy because if I had more tools, then probably tickle my fancy more, but this is what I fucking got. This is what I'm gonna fucking use. And if you don't like it, fuck off. But no, please don't fuck off. Hammer, clamps, pliers on the wall, spanners, 14, 10. I like putting my tools away myself because when the fucking boys do it, they never fucking put shit back where it's meant to go. Even though it's all fucking labelled and organised. Anyway, well, I've changed angles now, so I'm getting kind of professional with this shit. We just change the angles around, make it look cool, I guess. Probably not, maybe. Ugh. Put that shit up there. Over there. Go there for a minute. Goodbye. Gotta put these away too. Fuck me. Just never stops, these cunts. Well, we should probably put that airline away too. Anyway, come on, fucker. Ow, cunt. That hit me in the nuts. Kind of, just a little bit. Okay, we'll fucking see if you can see this shit. Apple. Oh, yeah. Untangle. Fuck. What the fuck sort of a shit? Who did this? Well, no one else is here, so I guess I did this. Fuck. That is not how that's meant to go. That is how it's meant to go. Oh yeah. Very nice. Forgot this big fucker. The light. The light. Before I go to bed, finally. It's done. Brakes work, I think. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll come back and watch another fucking one of my shit shows. Thanks.